In today's video, I'm going to teach you, insert video title here. We're going to move through 4 simple actions to get your audio player in place. Click the action icon, search for the audio player, choose the punch cut audio player from the results, and then save. I'll explain what to look for at each stage so you feel confident following along. Start by clicking the action icon. In most interfaces, this looks like a gear, 3 vertical dots, or a small lightning bolt near the top right corner of the screen. If your window is narrow, it might be tucked into a toolbar or hidden behind a More menu. Hovering your mouse should reveal a tooltip that says Actions. Click it once to open the panel or drop-down. A single click is all you need. With the actions open, use the search field to find the audio player. You'll typically see a search bar at the top of the panel. Click into the field and type audio player. Results usually filter in real time, so you can refine by adding the word punch cut if you see too many options. Watch for category labels, like components or widgets. Those help you confirm you're in the right place. If nothing appears, double check your spelling and make sure you're connected to the internet, as some libraries load results from the web. From the search results, click Punch Cut Audio Player. The correct item often includes an icon resembling a play button and a short description mentioning audio playback. Take a second to confirm the name matches exactly so you don't select a similarly named media element. A single click should highlight or insert it depending on your workspace. Finally, click on Save. The Save button is commonly located at the bottom right of a panel or along the top toolbar. After you click, look for a small confirmation, like a check mark or a message that says saved or changes applied. If you don't see confirmation right away, wait a moment. Large assets can take an extra second to commit. Also, keep an eye out for subtle validation messages that indicate what needs attention before the system can finish saving. That's it. You clicked the action icon, searched for the audio player, selected the punch cut audio player, and saved your changes. If you repeat this flow in future projects, you'll be able to add the same player quickly and consistently. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.